Today, Spokane City staff are working to keep up with new state limits that reduce how many cases public defenders can take on. The state's new caseload requirements could affect how cases are handled in municipal court. KREM 2's chief journalist Amanda Rowley has more to this story tonight.
Right now, Spokane City Municipal Court is handling record dockets with fewer available public defenders. If the city can't keep up, that could mean delays and even dismissed cases.
Inside Spokane City Municipal Court, the movement never really stops. People coming and going, cases moving one after another, hundreds of cases and not enough public defenders to go around.
It's certainly concerning. We have seen an increase in our caseloads, in our case filings.
Jackie Van Wormer is the court administrator, and she sees firsthand how the rising caseload is impacting the system. New state limits lowered how many cases public defenders can take on, just as Spokane's City Court is seeing some of its busiest dockets yet. Van Wormer says the court's 3 elected judges will see up to 250 people on a docket each day.
Just speaking with a judge from Ohio, from a pretty populated municipal court area, and she was sharing with me that her average docket is 30 in a morning. And so that's quite a comparison. And they're a pretty similarly sized jurisdiction.
She says more than 90% of people in the city's court can't afford an attorney and need a public defender. But with too few public defenders available, some cases could be delayed or even dismissed.
And that's concerning from a public safety perspective. You know, there's victims that exist with some of these crimes.
I'm here with our Chief Public Defender, Nick Antush, with a concerning update for council regarding our public defender capacity.
This week, city staff shared steps it's taking to keep up with the shortage, including adding law student interns, proposing funding for an additional public defender, and reviewing cases before they're filed to reduce the workload.
And then you see what numbers we're dealing with. We're looking at, theoretically tripling the number of attorneys that we have in the office by the end of 10 years.
City staff say they'll keep working on ways to ensure cases keep moving, even under the new public defender limits. Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.